I have experienced that we, the students of homeopathy, we experience a lot of problems when it comes to comparison of remedies. So from today, I am going to start with a series of comparison where I will be explaining about the two different remedies ka comparison. So let's start today with cyclamen and pulsatilla. So let's start. Comparison of cyclamen and pulsatilla. So how these patients basically appear, दोनों पेशेंट सेम ही दिखेंगे तुमको. साइक्लामैन और पल्साटिला वो ब्लॉन्ड एनीमिक रहेंगे, थोड़े बहुत एमासिएशन रहेगा, सेंसिटिव रहेगा, दोनों चिलीनेस विल बी एक्सट्रीम, सेंसिटिव टू कोल्ड. ठीक है. माइंड में वेयर एज इन साइक्लामैन द पीपल आर वेरी पीविश, इरिटेबल, मोरोस. पल्साटिला में we all know that pulsatilla patients are easygoing, very, they are mild, gentle, timid. Like people are very lucky to have pulsatilla in their lives. The head complaints, the pains are in cyclamen the pains are basically boring and darting, whereas in pulsatilla the pains are neuralgic type of pains. In head, the forehead and temples are affected in cyclamen. And pulsatilla, the right temporal region, the frontal and the supraorbital, that is above the your eyes or orbital region. Okay, now eyes. So in both cases blepharitis is seen, sticking of eyelids and edema of the lids. अभी साइक्लामैन में देयर इज़ डलनेस ऑफ हियरिंग, इन पल्साटिला में भी डलनेस ऑफ हियरिंग है. बट पल्साटिला में क्यों है कि अक्यूटली अभी देखो हमें पता है कि दे आर सेंसिटिव टू कोल्ड एयर, तो सडनली कोल्ड एयर का एक्सपोजर हो गया, उसकी वजह से कुछ कंप्लेंट स्टार्ट हो गई, ओटोरिया हो गया, तो उसकी वजह से देयर इज़ डलनेस ऑफ हियरिंग. Okay, now next complaints are of nose. So cyclamen में there is anosmia, there is loss of smell, but साइक्लामैन में है ड्यू टू ड्राइनेस, whereas in पल्साटिला स्टॉपेज ऑफ राइट नॉस्ट्रिल है. सर्दी हो गई है तो राइट नॉस्ट्रिल बंद है, तो देयर इज एनोस्मिया. ओके, एंड देयर इज वन सिम्टम विच इज रिटन इन केंट. आई एम नॉट श्योर वेयर इज इट, कैन वी मेंशन हियर और नॉट, कि the coryza of cyclamen is aggravated in warm room and ameliorated in open air, whereas normal modalities में cyclamen is there is aversion to warm open air and it desires warm room. Okay, so these are certain contradictory statements which I don't think we can include in this comparison. Okay, now mouth. So here all the foods taste salty in cyclamen. There is dryness, thirstless, except in evening. We all know thirstless cyclamen भी present है और pulsatilla में भी present है. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे all the food taste salty in cyclamen, whereas here there is greasy taste in the mouth. Okay, here taste is lost. In cyclamen taste is lost, putrid and rancid. यहाँ पे taste is altered, bitter है और foul smelling है. Now coming to the stomach complaints, all the stomach complaints of the cyclamen and pulsatilla are very many similarities are present. So there is aversion to bread, butter, aggravation, ailments from basically as bread, butter, fatty things, oily, butter, cheese. Okay, now there is vomiting in morning and eructations which is present in both cyclamen as well as pulsatilla. There is sensation of weight which is present in stomach both in cyclamen and pulsatilla. And now stool complaints. So basically stool complaints of में there is diarrhea after coffee, pulsatilla में diarrhea after menses. Pulsatilla के stools they are watery, they are changeable, as we know the changeability runs whole through the remedy, and no two stools are alike. Urine में there is itching at urethra in cyclamen, there is burning at urethra in pulsatilla. Ineffectual desire to micturate in cyclamen, and in pulsatilla involuntary micturition. Female में there are suppressed menses due to overexertion, pulsatilla में suppressed menses due to feet getting wet. cyclamen में too soon है, बहुत जल्दी आएंगे, बहुत लेट आएंगे, या फिर बहुत कम, बहुत प्रोफ्यूज रहेंगे, या फिर एकदम स्कैंटी रहेंगे. और पेशेंट इज़ बेटर बाय फ्लो एंड ब्लैक एंड क्लॉटेड. एंड इन पल्साटिला मेंसेस लेट ही रहते हैं हमेशा और बहुत कम रहते हैं, एंड दे आर डार्क क्लॉटेड चेंजेबल. इंटरमिटेंट फ्लो इज प्रेजेंट बेसिकली. Even the modalities are very characteristic of this remedies. They both are very opposite. Okay, so yes. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you all. I'll be coming with the next video very soon. Thank you.